So today I'm going to show you how to pay your Chase credit card with your Chase points. Now we're going to go ahead and load up our app right over here on our iOS device. Now, as we go through this, keep in mind an Android version might look a little bit different as we go through these steps, as well as if you want to help support out the channel, hit that like and subscribe button down below. Now here we are loaded up on our app in real time. You can see that we're moving around here, and we have one credit card on our account called the Prime Visa. Now we have some points on our account that we want to go ahead and use up towards our current balance. So what we're going to do is actually go ahead and click over here where it says Prime Visa. We're going to tap there, and it's going to take us to this new page right over here. Now from this new page right over here, what we're going to actually want to do is scroll down past our transactions right over here. And if we keep scrolling, there's going to be a section here that says rewards and benefits. Now we're going to click this little arrow over here on the right hand side. And from here, it's going to give us a few new options. So right over here, you can shop with points, you can do cash back, gift cards, and travel. And for us to be able to pay towards our overall balance, we're going to want to go ahead and click on the cash back option. Now, even though it says cash back, it's technically just credit going back onto your account. Let's close that off right there. Now from this screen right over here, it is going to show us how many points we actually have, which is going to be the 858 points, which is equivalent to $8.58. Now, if by any chance you do not want to use all of your points, if you just go ahead and click right over here, it's going to give you the option to put in the total amount that you want to go ahead and do. So let's go ahead and say we want to just do $5. And it'll show you how many of those points, and then we can go ahead and continue. But if you want to use all of it, you could just leave it the way it was. And then we're going to go scroll down here, and you're going to see a couple options right over here. You're going to see the credit card, and then you're also going to see your bank on file. Now we want to go ahead and put it towards our credit card today, so we're going to click on the checkbox right over here, and the continue button is now highlighted, so we're going to click on continue. And then from here, it's just verifying everything is going to look good. It is showing us that we're going to take that 500 points and put it towards our credit card, and letting us know what the remaining balance will be, and that is just going to our credit card with that $5 total, which will take it off of the total amount that we have on file. So we're going to go ahead and click on submit, and then you can see right over here it says you are all set. Your cash back will be posted within 3 business days for you, and you can go back to your rewards, or you can go back to the main homepage of your credit card. I want you to keep on learning when it comes to utilizing your financial apps, so check out our video right over here on screen to keep on learning.